Hello students, now come to the second stanza. Why the poet says that we pray to God for the virtues or qualities like mercy, pity, peace and love in the time of or during distress or discomfort. Reason is that, reason has been explained in the second stanza. And what is that? See students, here for word has been used. For means because, means why do we pray to have these virtues? We pray because the fact is that these virtues are divine virtues, means related to God, connected to God. In fact, these qualities, according to William Blake, these qualities or person who just possess these qualities are equivalent to God. And here he has written also the same thing. For why do we pray? To have these qualities in the distress. Because instead of for, what you will read? Because mercy, pity, peace and love is God. What does it mean? Means these are the qualities that are God. Means, or in other words, you could say that these are qualities that are possessed by God, who is the Father of all entire human beings. Now see, and being, since God is our Father and we are the children of the God, so, and mercy, pity, peace and love is man. Since we are the part of the God, we are the children of God. So, we must possess all this, or all these qualities are inherited by human beings. See, the poet continues to say that the four divine virtues, that is, what are those four divine virtues? Mercy, pity, peace and love are possessed by God. And that's why we pray to God. We pray to these virtues. In fact, we are praying to God. And who is God? God is the Father of the entire human race. These divine virtues are also inherited by the human beings. Already I have told we are the children of God. So and it is called that we just inherited the qualities of our parents. Okay. So we have inherited all these qualities from God, as they are the children of God. Why we have inherited these qualities or possessed? Because we are the children of God. The rhyme scheme of this quatrain is A, B, A, C.